6 easy ways to get rid of green fungus under acrylic nails. Nail care tips. Ever noticed green spots under your acrylic nails and panicked? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this tutorial, we'll uncover 6 foolproof ways to tackle green fungus under acrylic nails and keep your manicure looking flawless. Say goodbye to nail drama and hello to healthy, gorgeous nails. Green fungus, or greenies, is caused by moisture trapped between acrylic nails and your natural nails. This creates a perfect breeding ground for bacteria called Pseudomonas. But don't worry, once identified, it's easy to treat and prevent with the right steps we'll walk you through. Start by carefully removing the acrylic nail on the affected finger. Soak it in warm acetone for easy removal, but avoid ripping it off. This step is essential to expose the infected area and allow it to breathe. You can't treat what you can't see. Once the acrylic is off, clean the nail with soap and warm water. Use a nail brush for a gentle scrub to remove surface-level bacteria. Follow this with rubbing alcohol or hydrogen peroxide to disinfect the nail and prevent bacteria from spreading further. Moisture is the enemy when fighting green fungus. Pat the nail completely dry using a clean paper towel. You might even consider using a blow dryer on a cool setting to ensure no water residue remains. A dry environment helps stop bacterial growth immediately. Over-the-counter antifungal solutions or tea tree oil come to the rescue here. Apply your chosen treatment to the nail bed daily and follow the product's instructions carefully. Tea tree oil's natural antibacterial properties make it a perfect remedy for minor infections. As tempting as it may be to reapply acrylics right away, let your natural nail heal first. Healing could take a couple of weeks, so embrace your bare nails during this time. Consider using a nail strengthener or cuticle oil to keep your nails healthy while they recover. Prevention is key. Always ensure your nail technician cleans their tools thoroughly. Opt for high-quality products and don't skip on regular maintenance. For DIY enthusiasts, keep your nail area dry, clean, and disinfected to avoid the return of unwanted bacterial guests. If the infection worsens, spreading, discoloration, or pain sets in, don't delay seeing a doctor or dermatologist. Some infections require prescription-level treatment. Acting early makes all the difference for your nail health and ensures minimal damage to the natural nail. Now that you know how to tackle green fungus, take charge of your nail care routine. Remember, healthy nails are the foundation of stunning acrylics. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with your fellow nail enthusiasts, and subscribe for more expert care tips. Your flawless nails await!